Welcome to the world of porters in the hospitality industry. Today, we'll be diving into everything you need to know, whether you're looking to hire a porter or considering a career as one. So, buckle up and get ready for a fun, informative ride. First off, let's talk about what porters do in the hospitality industry. These unsung heroes are responsible for the smooth operation of various aspects of a hotel, resort, or similar establishment. They're often the first point of contact for guests, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable experience. Pretty important, right? Now that we know the basics, let's explore the role and responsibilities of a porter in more detail. Porters assist guests with luggage, transport items within the establishment, maintain cleanliness in common areas, provide information to guests, and support the overall functioning of the establishment. Sounds like quite a handful, doesn't it? When it comes to qualifications and skills, formal education isn't typically required. However, certain skills and qualities are essential for success. Good communication, physical fitness, attention to detail, problem solving abilities, and a customer service orientation are just a few of the necessary skills. And let's not forget the importance of working in a diverse and inclusive environment. Speaking of diverse and inclusive environments, let's touch on the physical demands and working conditions of a porter's job. They must be able to lift and carry heavy loads, stand and walk for long periods, work in various weather conditions, handle repetitive tasks, and work in a fast paced environment. Sounds challenging, but also rewarding, right? Now, let's switch gears and talk about hiring a porter. If you're a recruiting manager, you'll want to develop a strong job advertisement that highlights the role, responsibilities, and required skills. Emphasize the importance of diversity and inclusivity in your workplace to appeal to a wider range of candidates. During the screening process, look for candidates with the necessary skills, qualifications, and experience. Pay attention to their customer service orientation and commitment to working in a diverse environment. When conducting interviews, prepare a set of questions that assess their communication skills, problem solving abilities, and experience in the hospitality industry. And if you're a job seeker, here are some tips to help you land that perfect porter position. First, identify relevant job boards and resources specializing in the hospitality industry. Next, craft a tailored resume and cover letter highlighting your skills, experience, and commitment to working in a diverse and inclusive environment. Use specific examples from your past work experiences to demonstrate your qualifications. Don't forget the power of networking. Reach out to friends, family, and colleagues for potential job leads or recommendations. Attending networking events in the hospitality industry can also help you connect with potential employers and learn about job openings. To ace your interview, research the company and its values, specifically regarding diversity and inclusion initiatives. Prepare answers to common interview questions, focusing on your relevant skills and experience in the hospitality industry. There you have it, a complete guide to the exciting world of porters in the hospitality industry. Remember, whether you're hiring or seeking a job as a porter, the key is to focus on the skills, qualifications, and commitment to working in a diverse and inclusive environment. Good luck on your journey, and may it be filled with success and rewarding experiences.